Hello friends, welcome to Free Cryptocurrency channel. In today's video, we will discuss about a new project which is called Air NFT. The NFT marketplace is a platform that serves NFT token trading user globally. NFT token require an NFT marketplace to be traded because without this marketplace, NFT token cannot be traded because as is well known NFT token are different from ordinary cryptocurrency such as BTC, Ethereum, etc. NFT token can only be traded on marketplaces that support the NFT protocol. Since it was the first introduced, the NFT sector has grown quite significantly until now. It is even estimated that in the future this sector will grow even more. Therefore, NFT was launched to become a marketplace that will facilitate the trading of NFT token for users globally. By adopting the BSC protocol, Air NFTs will become an NFT marketplace with faster transaction processing and lower fees than chains like Ethereum. And not only that, in the future, Air NFT will also support cross-chain, which allow other chain user to be able to use Air NFT without the need to change their chain. Air NFT is not just an unfinished project, it is a finished project that is already running and has a sizable user base. So far, 172k NFT has been minted with a transaction value of up to $9 million. So that Air NFT can be a recommendation for your user who are looking for NFT marketplace. Air NFT is an NFT marketplace launched on BSC with various features that will facilitate the trading of NFT token globally. The feature offered by Air NFT enable user to create, buy, sell and earn with their NFT token. Especially for content creator, Air NFT are the best place for them to earn with the digital content by they create. By that's not all, there are several other features of Air NFTs. NFT Launchpad. Artists who create digital content can use Air NFT as a platform to launch their digital content. Air NFTs will be a launchpad platform that will give user exposure to the content they launch. ART farming and royalties. To encourage user to continue using the service, Air NFT will rewarded user in the form of ART tokens for trading their NFT tokens. And also user can use royalty to earn more. User friendly. Air NFT was developed with the user experience in mind. User of all levels can use Air NFTs more easily and comfortably cross chain. In the future, Air NFT will be developed with the cross chain support which will allow user from chains other chains BSC to be able to trade on Air NFT. The Air NFTs platform allows users to easily earn ART tokens by farming and royalties. ART is a native token from Air NFT, which was launched to become a utility token on the platform. Later, user can use ART token for various purposes such as payment, investment, etc. User need ART tokens to be able to use Air NFT, especially content creator, because they will use ART token to access the feature provided. ART is an important token on the ART NFT platform as it will act as the fuel that will support the operation of the platform. Hope you will enjoy the review of Air NFT token. Meet you again with new bounty related project. For more bounty related project, please subscribe our channel and support. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.